Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanu and today's video is going to be a review on Earth Rhythm's newly launched makeup blenders. So Earth Rhythm has recently launched makeup blender kit. You get 4 pieces of makeup blenders. In here you have a water drop, you have a drop cut and 2 olive cut makeup sponges. And this is a latex free product and this retails for only $4.99. Yes guys, you get 4 sponges for just $4.99 and I have been using this consistently in my makeup routine for a couple of days now, and the quality of this makeup blenders is so good. These are better than some of the high-end makeup sponges as well, which speaks a lot. There are different kinds of makeup sponges in here, the drop cut, olive cut and all of that. So I want to discuss how you can incorporate this in your makeup routine, how you can make the most of the shape of this makeup blenders and make your makeup look more flawless. Now coming to the brand itself, from the packaging to the actual product, they gather the raw materials and source them very environmentally and ethically responsible manner, which speaks a lot. They have such great ingredients and they have such great raw materials used in these products, which I personally really love. Let's talk in detail about this makeup sponges, guys. Let me quickly show you how the packaging looks, how the sponges look. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alright, let's quickly talk about the packaging. The 4-piece makeup blenders come in this cute cardboard box, and once you open this, all of your 4 sponges in here. I have already dampened them. Now you get 4 makeup sponges in here. You get 1 water drop, which is like a teardrop one, is literally like a teardrop. It has a rounded bottom and a pointed tip, which is great for applying your foundation, which is great for applying your blush, anything that requires a lot of surface area to work with. This is great for that. We have 2 olive cuts in here, which has like a slant or a cut bottom. So if you can see the difference, this is a water cut which has a wider bottom, and this is olive cut which is slant at the bottom, which has a cut which is great for applying your contour, which is great for applying your contour for your nose and also setting under the eyes. So you can do a lot of chiseled or kind of structured looks with these sponges. And the last one we have is a drop cut, which is very similar to the water drop one. It has a very teardrop kind of a look to it, but it has a cut or a slant at the tip of the sponge, but it has a same rounded base. So this one would be great for applying your concealer, for going on to areas which is really hard with this kind of a sponge. So yeah, these are all the 3 different kind of sponges you get in here. The look of these makeup blenders are extremely cute. They have this beautiful mauvish pink kind of undertone to them, and they are super extremely soft. It really blows my mind that such beautiful quality makeup sponges are super affordable. And as I said, this retails only for $4.99, so I'm really surprised that such great quality of makeup sponges are available for such affordable price. Without rambling much, I'm going to show you how I incorporate these sponges in my day-to-day makeup routine so that you get an idea of how to use these sponges. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into using these sponges. Alright guys, so let's apply some foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to use Earth Rhythm's Matte Set Go Hydrating Face Fluid. This one is in the shade 45Y. I'm going to use the water drop makeup blender to apply my foundation. So I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and apply this like dots all over my skin. As I said, I'm going to use a water drop variant for this. It is super soft. As you can see, it just blends out this foundation so effortlessly. As you guys can see, my foundation is almost set as well, and plus blending this out using this water drop makeup sponge makes it super easy to blend out. Because of its squishiness, it is really easy to blend out any product on your skin. So I've applied some concealer under my eyes and I'm going to use this drop cut. This is, I think, the softest among all the 3 variants that we get in this blender kit. I don't know why, but this is extremely soft than the other 2. This is super squishy and almost feels very lightweight and very cloud-like. Let me zoom you guys and show how easily this blends out. This almost feels like a cloud and it is super delicate. They say that the skin under the eyes is very sensitive and it's very thin as well. So you need to be very careful what kind of products you use, what kind of sponges you use as well to blend out, your concealers and everything. So I think the sponge is really great for that because of its such fluffy nature. I also noticed that it doesn't soak up a lot of product. As you can see, it's just a little tint on top, and once you just wash it, it comes off very easily. You also can go in the crevices of your nose and go really close to your inner corners as well when blending out your products because of the shape of this blender. I've also applied some contour on my cheekbones, chiseled my jawline a little bit and applied some contour on my nose, and I'm going to use this olive cut to blend out everything. So I'm going to use the flat edge to just pat on my cheeks so that it adds a nice definition. It doesn't move the product all over my face. It just keeps it in this area only and gives me that chiseled cheeks. Now for the blush, I either like to go with either of the two. You can go with the olive cut because of this pointy edge. You can just blend out the product on your apples of your cheeks and it blends out really easily. But I personally like the water drop one because of its rounded bottom. You can hold your sponge like this and start bouncing it all over your cheek. It feathers out your blush so easily, guys. Because of its thick rounded bottom, it's really easy to bounce your blush. Now coming to applying powder on your face, you can use a makeup sponge to apply powder as well. Because you get two different olive cuts in here, you can use one for cream products and one for powder. So I'm going to use the other one for the powder and apply this just below my cheekbone. And as you can see, that was super easy, guys. And I'm going to take the tip of this and just bake under the eyes. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've dusted off the excess powder and did the rest of my makeup, and this is how my makeup has turned out. I really love how flawless my skin looks. I really love how chiseled my cheekbones look, and also my nose contour, the powder, everything is sitting so well. As I said, I have been using this blender kit for quite some time now, and this has been like a staple in my makeup routine. I have to use this makeup sponges to get this flawless kind of makeup look. Brushes or any other makeup sponges doesn't really do the trick for me. Because of how good the quality is, how squishy and blendable these are, this has been a game changer for me. As you can see, my makeup is looking so flawless. The under eyes is looking so flawless. Everything is just so good. I have been really enjoying these makeup blenders. You can use this makeup sponges dry and wet as well. The dry sponges will be great for concentration of the product on your face if you want to apply a little extra amount of coverage of your foundation or a more amount of coverage for your under eye concealers. You can use a dry sponge. Because of its texture and how it's built, the wet makeup sponge makes sure that you apply a product in the right quantity as well. The sponge doesn't soak up a lot of product, and when you apply it on your face, it doesn't feel cakey or heavy or anything. It just makes sure that it disperses the right amount of product on your face as well. So I personally like using wet sponges, but you can use them in both ways, dry and wet as well. If you have tried this kit, let me know in the comment section down below how you have incorporated this makeup sponges in your makeup routine, and also let me know what do you think of the quality, because I am extremely blown away by the quality of this and how affordable these are. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just quickly wanted to talk to you guys about the quality of these sponges, the ways of using these sponges, and how it made an effect on my makeup routine. So yeah, that was like a quick review. I hope this video was helpful. If it does, please do like, share the video, and if you have any queries, leave them in the comment section and I'll answer you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.